Morning, guys. It's MKP here again. Well, today we're at a place called Bluebell's Dairy Ice Cream Farm. It's a new one for us. It's just outside Derby. So come along if you're interested. If you ain't, you know what to do. I'll catch you further around. Bye-bye. As you can see, it's a busy old place. Have a look around, further around. Well, I don't know quite what we're going to find here. As I say, it's a new place for us, so we've not been here. It's about 80, 90 mile away from home. We've been given tickets for all sorts of things: free ice cream, free pumpkins, free something else. So, as I said earlier, it's quite a big size, area to play in and whatever, calf and other stuff. So, as I said before, we'll take you along. I hope you're still with me even at this early stage. So, yeah, let's see what we can find further on. Catch you in a minute. Ta-ra. Right. Have a little walk up to the pumpkin house. There's another view round. Witches in the trees. Wow. Oh. We have a pumpkin house. We'll have a walk through. Witches in the trees. Well, guys, we're queuing up to go and see a show. Got a ticket. I know you can't read it, it's back to front, but I'll see what it says. Squidditch, 11:25. So we're going in there, don't know what to expect, but well, we'll find out when we get in there. See you in a minute. Ta-ra.
It's not Hufflepuff, we don't have a Hufflepuff here. We have Flipperoo. If we just ignore the balls for a second, guys. Hey, there's a yellow ball in the red goal. Remember, guys, no kicking the balls. Oh! The squid is getting all your balls out the net. We're on to the yellow net.
Very friendly. Got food.
The donkeys. Is it a winky wonky donkey? Yeah.
King of the castle. All the various colours on them. You're a big boy, ain't you? Or girl, whichever you may be. Oh yeah. Oh, is that nice? Oh, Right. Good, yeah. Hey, you going? They certainly made a mess of this field. There you go. Look at the mess. There's one fast asleep in the shed. All like a root round, don't they? God, grief. Still think they're my favourites. These very inquisitive fellows, look at them. Got his nose out. Ain't got nothing for you. Oh yeah. Love the ears on these animals. I'll put my head through the fence. Now you're going to get stuck, ain't you? You've done that before. It's quite high up, this farm. The camera can see, but it really is high up. We're now in the tent and we're going to learn how to fly broomsticks. Well, at least our little one is, who is sitting on the floor right down the front there. So, if I can record it, I will. Might be interesting. Right, can't turn down one of these. Gonna have to put it over the fire. Let's give it one go.
Yeah, right, move it away then. Come this way then.
Okay, guys. That's the sort of end of this quick tour around Bluebell's farm. It's half term and there's lots and lots of children about, obviously. Very difficult to video. So what I might do is join up a couple of other videos and make them all into one. Never know. Anyway, if you're still with me, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget, thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget the little bell. You'll get told when I release another one. So until next time, MK Pete signing out. You stay safe now. Bye-bye.